Hello everybody, I hope that you are doing great. In this video we're gonna dive into a question that every beginner has. Which programming language should they learn and what can I do with it? Let's go. In this video we will break down every programming language, explaining what they do so you can choose the best for you and for your industry. Stick around because in the end of this video you will know exactly what you have to do. So let's start with the most popular programming language, Python. I think everybody know Python. It's used in a multiple industry and it's beginner friendly, so it's not that difficult compared to C or C++. The first usage of Python is in data science. Companies use Python so they can analyze big data and build different models with it. We can also use Python in web development, and framework like Django or Flask make it easy to build a website with Python. And this is a thing that is so powerful in Python, that it's a programming language that you can use in different industry, and it's a really good programming language. Easy to use, easy to understand, and you can build a really big thing with it. We can also use Python in AI and machine learning, and it's the big industry in this year. You all know that AI is gonna grow a lot in this future year. So library like TensorFlow are really powerful in Python, and it dominates the world of AI. Python is the programming language that is most used in AI industry. We can also use Python if you want to do automation. Python is your go-to to do automation of tasks that are repetitive. You don't wanna do it, so use Python so you can automate it. So briefly, if you are interested on AI, machine learning, data science, or automation, you should absolutely learn Python. So the second programming language that you will interest in this video is Java, the king of enterprise. Let's explain. Java is used in a multiple industry, in multiple enterprises. So if you want to get a job fastly, you should absolutely learn Java. And some of coding interview are doing on Java. You know that the most of coding interview are doing in Python now, but in the past Java was really common. And we also use Java in the backend for banking app, etc. So Java for the backend is really good. And we also use Java for mobile app development. So if you want to improve your skill in mobile app development, you should absolutely learn Java, and learning Java will absolutely help you to learn Kotlin more easily after that. We can also use Java in web application. Framework like Spring make it easy to build web application using Java. So Java is a really good programming language. You can learn it. If you learn it, it will be a really good plus for you. So the third programming language that we will talk about is JavaScript, the web specialist. I know that most of computer science students learn Java, are attired for learning Java, because learning web development will give you a lot of stuff that you need to know, as a software engineer, and JavaScript is really good for that. It's one of the most popular programming language in computer science. It's the best for web development. JavaScript is definitely the best for building native web application. So you can use Java for front-end development using tools like React to make the front-end really good, and you also can use JavaScript for the backend development if you integrate JavaScript with React.js. So JavaScript is really good. You can also build simple game development with JavaScript. Simple part. It's not the main point of JavaScript, but you can do that. So if you are dreaming of creating powerful and incredible website, JavaScript is definitely not negotiable. Now let's talk about C and C++. This language might seems really difficult, but it's so powerful to learn these two languages. C is the foundation of every system we know, like Linux or Windows. I think that I don't need to tell you more than that for this. C++, most of students in computer science learn C++ in our bachelor degree. And we also learn C in bachelor degree, but C++ is really powerful for game development because C++ is really good for the gestion of memory. And it's a really important thing in game development. So if you want to create complex game, an incredible game like Fortnite, or maybe I don't know what kind of game you can create, but C++ is definitely the choice for game development. Now let's talk about my industry, mobile app development, and definitely I advise you to learn Kotlin and Swift. Kotlin is the main one for Android development. You can do the best kind of mobile application in Kotlin. Yes, something we can use some Java for more advanced stuff, but Kotlin is definitely enough to build a lot of good mobile application for Android system. And we also, if you want to do it for iOS, you can use Swift. Swift is powerful, it's the main one for developing application in iOS, in macOS. So it was built by Apple in 2014, I think. But Swift is definitely the choice. We can also use some framework to build a mobile application like Flutter, but it's not definitely gonna look the same as if you build a native application, as Kotlin or Swift. Definitely, if you want to be expert, a really good expert in mobile application, I will advise you to learn Kotlin and Swift. The thing is that you will need a MacBook to learn Swift. But if you don't need a MacBook, you can definitely learn Flutter. Flutter is a good choice. You can learn Flutter and Kotlin. That will make you so powerful. But if you have a MacBook, I will definitely advise you to learn Kotlin and Swift. So there is other programming languages that are specific for some industry, like R. R is definitely built for data analysis. R is the main one for data analysis. We don't talk about it. I think that I will do a second video, so let me know if you liked this video by subscribing and getting a like in this video. Thank you a lot. We also have MATLAB that are more used in mathematical industry and engineering, SQL is used for database. So we manage database in different industry using SQL. And there is a lot of more. If you want a second video in this theme, let me know in the comments. So thanks a lot for watching this video and giving me some of your time. I hope that you will enjoy it and you find something that help you in this video. So thanks a lot. See you soon. Peace.